But the incredible thing about you, I just recently spent a couple of days with Jimmy Pedro, and he talked about his guys and just champions in general hating to lose more than they love winning. And the way you talked about losing, you lost very few times in your career. Like later, you were dominating both wrestling and MMA. But the way you took these losses against people that are, I don't know, below elite level.
It's fair. I was going to get pissy, but it's
sorry.
completely fair. I thought he was a bum too.
No, that's not what I meant. Oh, man, I'm in trouble.
It's okay. No, it's good.
No. But like, what can you explain the psychology behind that? Like, is there a system behind this? Is there philosophy behind this?
Well, I wasn't very good in the beginning, and I think that's where it all starts from. So I didn't start getting good until the age of like 13. I started at 5. I probably started competing more at age 10, 11. Didn't really get good till 13, and still at 13, I'm great. I'm getting better, right? I'm pretty good. So I have writing this book on sports psych, but I got someone to write it for me, kind of thing, because I've had this philosophy for years that there has to be this balance between two things, right? So on the one hand, in this category, on the one hand, you have hating to lose. A great champion has to hate to lose, like you said, right? Yeah. But on this other hand, you have to have someone who seeks out challenges, right? Because if you don't have that, you're never going to reach your full potential either. Mm-hmm. And so you have to balance these two balls at the same time, right? And so like for me, I always, and this is maybe because I wasn't good, but I was always like, let me go find the best people to wrestle all the time. Let me go find, I would like literally, like 7th, 8th grade when I was starting to get better, it was like, and there's no internet. Well, no one was using the internet. It was like a wrestling magazine. And like, hey, Dad, there's a tournament here. I think are the kids going to be there? Can you take me 2 hours across the state today, please? Mm-hmm.
You would wrestle like in competition against them, not
in competition. Yeah, in competition. Hey, I heard there's this tournament. Here's the magazine says this tournament. Hey, Dad, will you take me over there tomorrow?
You weren't trying to win. You were trying to get the experience.
I was trying to wrestle the best guys. Maybe I win, maybe I lose. When you do a competition, there's no guarantee of a win or a loss. You're just doing competition, right? So I wanted to challenge myself against the best guys, mm-hmm. of which I thought maybe I could come out on top, right? So like 8th grade year, I won way. I probably only lost a handful of times in the state of Wisconsin. It was probably really, really minimal the amount of times I lost, but it was just about getting the challenge. And it's like some kids, and not kids in my club, because I'll push them very hard on this, are scared of challenging themselves. They like being the big fish in the small pond. They're not willing to go say, I want to go get that guy, and I want to get that guy, and I want to get that guy. And so that's like, so I think that's part of it for me is like, I always just loved the challenge. I enjoyed competing thoroughly, right? And I understood from a young age, because I wasn't very good, losing's a part of it. You're not always going to win.